In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create delivery note in QuickBooks Online. A delivery note is a short message you attach to a sales transaction to guide your warehouse or courier. Things like which items to ship, special handling, or where to drop off. QuickBooks Online doesn't use a separate delivery note document out of the box, so the simplest method is to add clear delivery instructions to the transaction itself and save them so they appear whenever you send or print. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account and heading to the main dashboard. From there, open the Sales and Get Paid area. This is the sales hub where you'll manage invoices, estimates, and payments. If your screen looks a little different, you may also see a sales option on the left menu that takes you to the same place. The key is to reach the page that lists your sales transactions. On the Sales Transactions page, you'll see your recent invoices and other sales forms. Use the search or filters if you need to narrow it down by customer, date, or status. Once you've found the transaction you want to update, look to the right side and choose View/Edit. That opens the form so you can make changes. Now add the delivery note. In most forms, you'll have two helpful fields: Message on Invoice, which customers can see, and Memo, which is internal. If you want the delivery instructions to appear on what you send or print, type them into the Message on Invoice field. If the note is just for your team, put it in the memo. Keep it specific and scannable. Include shipment timing, packaging needs, or drop-off guidance. Adding a short label like Delivery Note at the start makes it easy to find later. When you're satisfied, save your changes. You can select Save and Close to return to your list, or use Save and Send if you're ready to share it with the customer right away. After saving, the note becomes part of the transaction record, so your team can reference it and it will display according to the field you used. Before you move on, quickly review that the customer, address, and item quantities are correct, since your delivery note relies on those details. If your company uses approvals, make sure the right person reviews the update. That's it. The delivery note is now attached and ready to guide fulfillment.